Welcome to Innovative Foods. Today I'm sharing the perfect aloo paratha, a no-fail method that gives soft parathas with flavorful stuffing every time. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl, add 1 cup whole wheat flour, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon oil, mix well. Add 1/3 cup water to make a soft dough. Rub some oil in the dough and keep it aside to rest. For the stuffing, grate 2 boiled potatoes. Add half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon red chili flakes, half teaspoon chaat masala, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon ginger, and 1 tablespoon coriander leaves. Add 1 tablespoon roasted gram flour, 1 tablespoon ground poha, and 1 teaspoon ghee. Mix everything well. Always cool potatoes before making stuffing. Take a portion of dough and flatten it. Place the potato stuffing in the center and cover well. Do not overfill the paratha to avoid tearing. Roll gently into a paratha. Roll gently with light pressure. Heat a pan on medium flame and cook the paratha. Flip. Add 2 teaspoon ghee. Fry both sides until golden and cook through. Aloo paratha is one of the most loved Indian breakfast dishes. Adding poha helps absorb moisture from potatoes. Gram flour prevents stuffing from breaking while rolling. Proper resting makes paratha softer and easier to roll. Cook on medium heat for even cooking. Whole wheat flour provides fiber and energy. Potatoes are a good source of potassium. Homemade parathas allow control over oil and spices. Adding ghee in moderation improves digestion. Your perfect aloo paratha is soft, flavorful, and truly no fail. Serve it hot with curd, pickle, or butter. Try this recipe at home and share your experience. Follow Innovative Foods for more easy recipes.